To get started, first press on the extension and then press Extract Job Listings. As you can see, we extracted 20 jobs. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, the more we scroll, the more jobs we add. To export this, press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension and press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting it, here is all the jobs we extracted and the information about them. Let's try one more function. For example, I want to get the details of the job. So to do that, press on the extension, then press Extract Job Details. Then press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension and export it. After exporting it, here you will find the job details.